Hello everyone, welcome back again to BricsCAD channel with BricsCAD basic tutorial how to use extrude command. Okay, open your BricsCAD application, and first I will create a simple 2D sketch. We create a rectangle. You can tap rectangle, enter, and first point I will click at this point, second point to this point. Okay. To convert this 2D sketch into 3D models, you can use extrude command. You can tap extrude, enter, and select this model, enter again, and you can give extrusion for this 3D sketch. I will give 50 for example, and enter. Now we already extrude this rectangle object. Next, for example, I will create line. Okay, and start from this point to this point with correct this form. Okay, and if you extrude this to this sketch, it will become surface models. Okay, I will extrude this object and give extrusion 100, enter, and this is a surface model. If you want to extrude into 3D solid, okay, solid model, you can join first this sketch. You can tap join, okay, enter, and select this all object, enter again, and this already joined and become into polyline. Now you can use extrude command to extrude this 2D sketch with 100 and enter, and this will be changed into solid. Okay, I think it's enough today for BricsCAD basic tutorial how to use extrude command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another BricsCAD basic tutorial.